Ayo, Tunde and Sheyi share their company's profit in the ratio 3:7:11. What is Sheyi's share? If Tunde's share is 140,000 naira, A 60,000 naira, B 110,000 naira, C 220,000 naira, and D 420,000 naira. The time has started. As soon as you are done and you're sure of your answer, you can mute your sleep. You have 10 seconds to go. Time up, everyone. I'm demanding you need to be careful to avoid being penalized. Number 2. The diagram shows a field with seeds planted in the whole field. What is the cost of planting seeds at 25 naira per meter square? A. 93,750 naira. B. 75,000 naira. C. 60,000 naira. D. 30,000 naira. The timer started. We have about 5 seconds to go. Time up, everyone. A school hostel has 25 rooms accommodating 140 students. 11 of the rooms contain 50% of the students. The remaining rooms have equal number of students per room. How many students per room are in these rooms? A1, B3, C5, D7. Time up. Get ready. Questions are going to pop up again on your screen. Get ready to attend. We're going to meet about good ones here. Alright? Question number 4. Given that 10 over 4 is less than A and is less than 10 over 3 over 8, which of the following would be a value of A? A, 10 over 1 over 2, B, 10 over 7 over 12, C, 10 over 1 over 16, and D, 10 over 5 over 16. Your time starts now. Remember, lift up your sleeve as soon as you're done. Time up. Every question in this round. A girl can finish a task in 10 days. How long will it take 4 girls to finish twice of that task working at the same rate? A, 5 days, B, 10 days, C, 2.5 days, and D, 1.25 days. Now you have about 10 seconds left. Number 6. Find the perimeter of the shape. A, 36 cm, B, 31 cm, C, 28 cm, and D, 26 centimeters. Question number 7. A bus traveled at an average speed of 66 km per hour from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. How far has it traveled? A, 120 kilometers, B, 99 kilometers, C, 75 kilometers, and D, 44 kilometers. Make sure you release your answers as soon as you're done. You have about 2 seconds. Time up, everyone. The tax on Dr. Johnson's taxable income is 25%. If he earns $40,000, out of which $21,000 is tax-free, how much does he pay as tax? A, $4,750, B, $3,500, C, $15,750, and D, $20,000. Seconds to go. Number 9. A trader lost 4,000 naira by selling an article for 20,000 naira. What is his percentage loss? A, 3.3%, B, 25%, C, 20%, and D, 16.7%. Seconds left. Time up. So we have answered another 10. Detach your sleeves, please, right now. Just focus on the screen. Don't look. All right, here we go now. Question number 10. The minute hand of a clock is 14 cm long. Find the distance that the tip of the minute hand will move in 2 hours. A, 176 cm, B, 88 cm, C, 44 cm, and D, 22 cm. Looking at your faces, you have less than 10 seconds to go. Time up. Your sleeves for the next question, please. You touch your sleeves for the next question. All right. Now here comes question number 11. The Adams family has 12 loaves of bread. If they consume 3 loaves per day, starting on Monday, on what day of the week will the bread finish? A, Wednesday, B, Thursday, C, Friday, and D, Saturday. Ten seconds to go. Time up. Question comes up now. Detach your sleeves and get ready for the 12th question. Which of the following results in a factor of 48? A, 5 multiplied by 3.5 plus 2.5 in parentheses. B, 4 times 1 plus 5. C, 4 into 1 plus 5. D, 28 divided by 7 plus 7. You have 10 seconds left. Time up. In this round, are you ready for them? Good. Detach your sleeves for the next question. You have done that already. Good luck to you as you attempt question number 13. Mr. Tunde spent 25% of his salary on rent, 30% on food, and half of the cost of food and school fees for his son, and saves the rest, which is $3,000. How much is the son's school fees? A, $1,500, B, $7,200, C, $10,000, and D, $15,000. Answer this below. Time up. Detach your sleeve. Detach your sleeve. For the next question, question number 14, and get ready. Here comes question 14. What fraction of the whole figure is shaded? A, 1 over 2, B, 3 over 8, C, 9 over 16, and D, 3 over 4. Remember to raise your sleeves as soon as you are done. Time up. In the second round of Tuma stage 3, who is ready for it? Detach your sleeves for that question, because what you're about to see will lift you. Alright? Simplify. 3 into 3s minus 4 minus 4 into 3 minus x. A, 5x, B, 5s minus 4. C, 13x, and D, 13x minus 4, 24 times. Yeah, along the speed with which some of you are attempting the questions, you need it to actually get the bragging rights as far as Tuma 2022 is concerned. And I'd like to say, time up to all of you. Well done. To answer a set of short theory questions, very short, and that was supposed to answer them within 120 seconds. The faster they are able to answer the questions correctly, the more marks they actually earn For this very round, it is important that audience cooperate with us. We wouldn't want any form of interference because we are repeating the same set of questions. We don't want you to please utter any word, say anything, or interfere. Otherwise, that particular question will be disqualified from that child. So please, all the pupils in the house, do not say a word, do not say anything. Otherwise, that candidate will be affected. Thank you for your cooperation. And of course, we want to implore you, do not be in a hurry to go away. Even if you're just among the top 100 performers, do not be in a hurry to go away. We want you to stay back and witness who would eventually get the crown as far as this Tuma competition is concerned. Is Abdulmalik from Jan Stride Nursery and Primary School. A round of applause for him, please. Thank you very much. And Abdulmalik, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you ready for your Tuma's Mathematics round?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the screen clearly?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you need to be audible. You are going to see the questions. Remember, you have just 120 seconds. But the faster you are able to answer the questions correctly, the more marks you earn. Okay? Alright. Welcome to Tuma's Speedomatics round. A round where each of the contestants will show us and display to us how fast, how creative, how intelligent they are when it comes to the subject of mathematics. Our first contestant today is Abdulmalik. Alright? Abdulmalik, are you ready for your Tuma Speedomatics round?
Yes, Mr. Master.
Good. Abdulmalik, your Tuma Speedomatics round starts now. How many lines of symmetry has a parallelogram? Incorrect. Find the median of 3, 2, 5, 1, and 4.
3.
Correct. Simplify 4, 5, 4, 5. Correct. What is the 10th digit of the square of 14? 9. Correct. 120% as a least fraction.
1/5.
Correct. 180 degrees less than S than 360 degrees. S is 4. Incorrect. What is 0.25% of 400?
100.
Incorrect. Evaluate root 9s raised to the power 4 p squared.
9s squared pk.
Incorrect. Given that 3p equals 13, find the value of 3p minus 10.
3.
Correct. Find s in the diagram.
12.
Correct. A round of applause for the lead. Face skip. Understand? Or pass. Alright? However, you still want to go ahead. It's equally fine. Okay. Fellow, are you ready for the Tuma Speedomatics round?
Yes, Mr. Master.
Fellow, your Tuma Speedomatics round start now. How many lines of symmetry has a parallelogram?
1.
Incorrect. Find the median of 3, 2, 5, 1, and 4.
3.
Correct. Simplify 4, 5, 4, 5 over 9.
5, 0, 5.
Correct. What is the 10th digit of the square of 14?
There's nothing.
6.
Incorrect. 120% as a mixed fraction is less than is what? Time.
1/1/5.
That's correct. 180 degree less than S less than 360 degree. S is called a what angle?
Acute.
Incorrect. What is 0.25% of 400? Sorry?
1,000.
Incorrect. Evaluate root 9x raised to the power 4 p squared k squared.
9x raised to the power 4.
Incorrect. Given that 3p equals 13, find the value of 3p minus 10.
3.
Correct. Find s in the diagram. Time. Audience, no noise.
12.
Correct. Please, let's celebrate our fellow. Welcome to you, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you are ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ilan, what class are you again?
Yes, 6.
Grade 6. Alright. Caleb, I wish you all the best this very round. Pay attention. Don't be too pressed up. Just take your time and be focused. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Caleb, are you ready for your Tuma Speedomatics round?
Yes.
Good. Your Tuma Speedomatics round starts now. Hold on a second. Sorry about the technical glitch. Okay? Yeah. Alright, so now your Tuma Speedomatics round starts now. How many lines of symmetry has a parallelogram?
1.
Incorrect. Find the median of 3, 2, 5, 1, and 4.
3.
Correct. Simplify 4, 5, 4, 5 over 9.
Power down 5.
Correct. What is the tens of digits of the square of 14?
9.
Correct. 120% as a missed fraction in its US term is what?
1/1/5.
That's correct. 180 degrees less than S is less than 360 degrees. S is called what angle?
Power down 17 degrees.
Incorrect. What is 0.25% of 400?
100.
Incorrect. Evaluate the square root of 9s raised to the power 4p squared k squared.
X squared PK.
That's correct. Given that 3p equals 13, find the value of 3p minus 10.
3.
That's correct. Find x in the diagram.
Ernest.
12.
That is correct. Well done to you. Please let's celebrate Kira. He's done well in this round. Come and have your seat. Yeah. Come and have your seat. Yes, well done. Do you have a pen with you? Don't worry, sit down. You get your pen. Please, can we have a pen for? Okay, there's one there. Good. Check it right. Alright, so just talk it when you are done. Right? Which do you like to be called? Kidera or David? Kidera. Okay. You don't like David? You prefer? No, that's good. So I'll stick with Kidera. So, you're welcome to Tuma's Speedomatics round. Do you understand what this round is all about? Good? Alright, so you need to. So, when was the first time you heard about Tuma? Oh, wow. Your sister has been here before. What's the name of your sister? Oladeji. Oh, wow. Is she winning? Oh, she got to the second stage. Couldn't surpass that. I'm sure your sister must be proud of you now. I mean, is she here today? Oh, she's not, alright. The mic is not working. Technical. Alright, so are you ready for your Tuma's Speedomatics round?
Yes.
Good. The questions are going to be coming up and we need you to be fast for the answers as much as you can. Chidera, are you ready for your Tuma's Speedomatics round?
Yes.
Your Tuma Speedomatics round starts now. How many lines of symmetry has a parallelogram?
2.
Incorrect. Find the median of 3, 2, 5, 1, and 4.
3.
Correct. Simplify 4, 5, 4, 5 over 9.
505.
Correct. What is the 10th digit of the square of 14?
9.
Correct. 120% as a mixed fraction in its less terms is what?
1/1/5.
That's correct. 180 degrees less than S. S is less than 360 degrees. S is called what angle?
Reflex.
Correct. What is 0.25% of 400?
Pass.
Evaluate root 9s raised to the power 4p squared k squared.
Pass.
Given that 3p equals 13, find the value of 3p minus 10.
3.
Correct. Find s in the diagram.
6.
Incorrect. Please let's put our hands together for keep it up. That was a very brilliant performance, a very smart one, and I'm sure.
All right, I think we are good.
yeah.